I just want to say that it was an absolutely amazing experience. I didn't quite know what to expect when I came over, but when I did, the amount of work that Nurture Africa do, it's just, to be honest with you, it's blown me away.
This morning we went to the building site, which was a new experience for
Totally, for both of us, yeah. It was nice to get away from the nursing side and do something completely different.
So yeah, today was the library in the morning and building in the afternoon. Yeah, pretty nervous about it, to be honest. I haven't done anything like that. I think the most interaction I've ever had now is just with kids, it's just an hour here and there with the nephews and nieces.
So I went out into the community today to do HIV testing, which is a new project that Nurture Africa are doing.
Today I went on house visits with a community support worker, and I can just say that in Ireland I'm a public health nurse, so I took a special interest in this area because this is what I do at home.
I think coming out I didn't realise what an impact we were going to be doing on the building site, as in we were building a library for the kids. You walk in and there's a school with 1,000 pupils. It was until we started building that we all kind of realised, God, at the end of the 2 weeks we're going to have something here, a finished room that they can all sit in and read their books.
We went out and we done our education first aid.
So we had children aged 7 to 8 and we were teaching first aid, so cuts, bruises, burns, snake bites and broken bones, so legs and arms.
And she said that after 5 minutes of it, you get right into it. Like they're very good kids. They're really interactive. They're really enthusiastic. Really up for it.
So we basically went out into the community and tested people and see if they have HIV or not.
The Ugandan people have been nothing but welcoming, and especially in the home visits. We're going into their home, which is very private and personal, and they were just very, very, very welcoming and just so happy to have us there.
We actually rode the children outside onto the grass. Yeah, it was really good to get to interact with the kids.
They're so smiley and
yeah, they're just so happy.
Really happy children.
So we were building away anyway, and then I just looked up and next minute all the kids just coming one by one carrying bricks, and it was just a lovely, lovely time, like to see them just walking down in their little uniforms, carrying the bricks and taking part in helping build the library.
It was good fun. It was a great class. There were a class of about maybe 10 and 11-year-olds. So yeah, they even taught me a bit of Uganda, which is their local language over here.
So I did about 28 tests today, and it was lovely being out in the community, which is kind of different from that now.
In the first visit, we visited family, and like I said, it was just a very powerful, moving experience.
And then just to add it to the mix, I was asking them to go and show me some dancing as well. So yeah, I got right in there, and I had to go off with them as well. So it was like absolutely brilliant. I was sad to leave that place. I'm looking forward to doing that part of it next week again, the library part.
It was a great experience, and I can't wait to do it next week. And it's a great thing that Nurture Africa have decided to start doing, and it was a great experience.
I've said to most of the workers here I'd come back, I'd move here, I'd work here for sure. It's been nothing but amazing, and I've enjoyed every minute, and I'm just looking forward to the rest of the time here.
It really opened my eyes to the invaluable work is done by the staff and volunteers here at Nurture Africa, and I would definitely, without hesitation any doubt, recommend that everyone has this experience of at least 2 weeks in taking part of Ugandan culture and this wonderful organisation.